Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic programming languages out there, Java. And no, I'm not talking about the coffee, though both are equally necessary to survive a long coding session. So, what is Java? No, not the coffee kind. Although developers everywhere will tell you that coffee and Java have something in common, they're both essential for staying awake during those late-night coding marathons. But no, we're talking about the programming language, not your morning cup of energy. Java first appeared in 1995, back when people were still using dial-up internet and listening to music on cassette tapes. Created by Sun Microsystems, Java was designed to fix a massive headache for developers writing code that only worked on one platform. Java's big promise: write once, run anywhere. It's basically the universal remote of coding. Write your code once, and it'll run on any machine that supports Java. Developers, that's like a dream come true. Now, Java's been around for over 2 decades. That's ancient by tech standards. But despite being as old as some retro gaming consoles, Java is still relevant today. It's kind of like that one grandparent who not only knows how to use the latest tech but somehow manages to do yoga better than you. How does Java stay so spry? Well, that's what makes it special. From your favorite mobile apps to the server backends of major websites, even to tiny devices like the sensors in your smart fridge, Java's probably in there somewhere. It's that language that just never leaves the party. Whether it's websites, Android apps, or even the control systems on Mars rovers, Java's got its hands in everything. Java is an object-oriented language, meaning everything is built around objects and classes. Think of it as a big box of Lego bricks. You get all these pieces, and you can build whatever you need from them. It's like Java is the IKEA of programming, lots of building blocks, and it's up to you to make something functional, with slightly less frustration. One of Java's superpowers is the JVM, or Java Virtual Machine. Think of the JVM as Java's translator. It makes sure your code runs smoothly on any platform, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. It's like Java is a world traveler that speaks every language without even trying. No passport required. Java has been a faithful companion to developers for years. It's reliable, sturdy, and doesn't throw too many surprises at you unless you forget a semicolon. Then it gets mad. But overall, it's like that old car you've had for ages. It's not fancy, but it always gets you where you need to go. And guess what? It'll still be running long after the shiny new cars have broken down. So, why should you care about Java? Because whether you're just starting your programming journey or you're already a code ninja, Java is one of those trusty tools that will always have your back. It's been around forever, but it's still one of the best tools in the game. Alright, let's dive into the world of Maven, Java's very own project manager. Think of Maven as Java's super organized personal assistant. It handles dependencies, builds, and project life cycles like a pro. Instead of you running around chasing down libraries, Maven steps in and says, "Relax, I've got this." It keeps everything on track, like a well-timed coffee break. No more stressing over missing libraries or tangled build processes. Maven's got your back. Maven makes Java development smoother by managing dependencies automatically. Gone are the days of downloading individual jar files like it's the 90s. Maven is like your own Java butler, quietly fetching everything you need without ever being asked. You can sit back, sip your coffee, and let Maven do all the heavy lifting. It's like having a personal assistant who always remembers your birthday but never asks for a raise. And Java's got some pretty powerful friends in its corner. Enter the Spring and Spring Boot duo. Think of Spring as Java's Swiss Army knife. It can do just about everything. Whether you're building a web app, an enterprise solution, or even microservices, Spring's got the tools for the job. It's like giving Java a set of superpowers, ready to tackle any challenge. But wait, there's more. Spring has a younger, cooler sibling, Spring Boot. Now, while Spring lays down the foundation, Spring Boot shows up and makes everything easier. Its convention over configuration approach is like walking into a party where all the decorations are already set up, and the food's already on the table. It takes care of the heavy lifting, so you can just focus on the fun part, coding. Spring is Java's framework of choice for big, complex web applications. It's robust, versatile, and ready to tackle anything you throw at it. And then there's Spring Boot. This is where things get really exciting. Spring Boot makes getting started with Spring super easy. It auto-configures almost everything you need, so you can hit the ground running. No more setting up tedious XML files and feeling like you're deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. It's like having someone bake the cake for you, and all you have to do is add the frosting and eat it. Who wouldn't want that? So, whether you're just starting your Java journey or you're a seasoned pro looking to level up, remember, in the world of programming, Java isn't just a language. It's a lifestyle. So grab your favorite mug, fill it with coffee or tea, no judgment here, and dive into the world of Java. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Java joke in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding and keep smiling.